So hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate proximate analysis of coal sample, which is one of the important topics in our engineering chemistry unit said to be energy source. तो proximate analysis of coal sample होता क्या है? तो ये है कोल, इस कोल सैंपल के अंदर मॉइस्चर परसेंट, वोलेटाइल मैटर परसेंट, एश कंटेंट एंड फिक्स कार्बन का परसेंटेज कितना, ये ढूंढने की जो एनालिसिस की प्रोसेस होती है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं प्रॉक्सिमेट एनालिसिस ऑफ कोल्स। तो ये करने के लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? फॉर प्रिपरेशन, फॉर डूइंग दिस प्रैक्टिकल वी रिक्वायर द क्रूसिबल विच इज द सिलिका क्रूसिबल, ओके, देन द कोल सैंपल, दिस इज द मफल फर्नेस whose temperature is from 100 degree up to 1200 degree Celsius, that is maintained. Then this is hot air oven for the finding the percentage of ash, for the finding the percentage of moisture content. Then also for cooling purpose we have the desiccator. So desiccator required for cooling of the hot coal sample present in the crucible. Let's see one by one. So before starting the demonstration, आपको एक चीज पता होनी चाहिए, अगर मुझे proximate analysis of coal sample करना है और उसमें मुझे इस coal sample का moisture percentage ढूंढना है, तो I will put that coal sample inside the oven whose temperature is 100 degree Celsius. That is already explained in my previous video. अगर मुझे coal sample में volatile matter ढूंढना है, ash content ढूंढना है, I am going to put the coal sample inside the crucible in a muffled furnace with different temperature at different time. Okay, let's see one by one. For that, initially we are going to find the moisture content. Let's take one crucible, empty crucible, then wet it along with the lid. मैंने एक empty crucible लिया है, उसके lid के साथ, just a minute, (25.170 gram). Okay, this is the weight of empty crucible. In that, add 0.5 gram of coal sample. So we have to add 0.5 gram of coal sample. Okay, with the help of spatula. Okay, so right now I am going to take the coal sample, 0.5 gram. Okay, now next step, put this crucible along with the coal inside the oven for 1 hour whose temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So adjust the temperature of hot air oven with the help of this adjustable knob and put the crucible along with the coal sample inside the hot air oven for 1 hour. 1 घंटे के बाद हमें क्या करना है? उसको बाहर निकालना है, क्रूसिबल को डेसिकेटर में उसको कूल करना है, आइदर डेसिकेटर और आइदर रूम टेम्परेचर, यू कैन कूल इट. कूल होने के बाद अगेन यू हैव टू टेक द वेट ऑफ crucible along with the coal sample. What happened? After heating and cooling, we found that whatever the moisture present in our coal sample, it gets removed and the weight of crucible after heating goes on decreasing. And from that we can find the percentage of moisture is equal to loss in weight divided by weight of coal into 100. तो loss in weight कैसे find out करना है? Initial weight minus final weight divided by weight of coal into 100, you can find the weight of percentage moisture present in the coal sample. Next, volatile matter and ash content, how we are going to find that we will discuss on next video. Till then.